7th of March 2022, about 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. Just going to take the drone up and have a look at the South Creek floods. I suspect they're a bit higher than last time. We shall find out. There are the sports ovals down behind St Mary's High School, or senior high school. The Penrith BMX track looks like it's underwater. Railway line there, yes. Wow, it's up much closer to the bridge rail level. That would have been close to going under at the peak. Warrington Road, I think it is. Going closer to there. Once again, Warrington Golf Course and Archery Club underwater. Oh, there's the containers for the road rail interchange. Bulk goods. Oh, you can see the brown water all the way through all the trees, sports ovals. Looks like the water's running very fast. Can't quite make it out in the drone footage, but yes, it was moving pretty quick. Coming up, a large section of the Kingsway Road has underwater, or a large section in front of the St Mary's footy fields. You can make it out there through the trees.